Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Shut Up and Consume. Now, today I'm going to bring you another person who inspires me, and another person that's doing great things in the world, and another person that I think everybody should know about because these are people who are actually making a difference in the world and people who are actually doing the right kind of research and people who are actually trying to make a mark and dig deeper into reality, let's just say. So moving on. Today is about Nassim Haramein, and I can't remember exactly how I discovered Nassim Haramein, but I came across him just as usual, digging into this type of information, and he um, he has a lot to offer as far as research. So I'll just go in. I'll just start off by reading. This is on the Resonance Science Foundation website, and he is the founder of the Resonance Science Foundation, and they're doing some awesome research as well. And I guess at some point I'll make a video all about the Resonance Science Foundation, but they're doing amazing work as well. So I'll start off by reading his about section about Nassim Haramein. So Nassim Haramein has spent more than 30 years researching and discovering connections in physics, mathematics, geometry, cosmology, quantum physics, biology, and chemistry, as well as anthropology and archeology. These studies led Haramein to groundbreaking theories, published papers, and patented inventions in unified physics, which are now gaining worldwide recognition and acceptance. Haramein's findings are based on a fundamental geometric quantization of spacetime, formalizing a unification between the quantum scale and cosmological-sized objects, including the universe itself. Haramein, Haramein's seminal paper, Quantum Gravity and the Holographic Mass, was published in the peer-reviewed journal Physical Review and Research International in 2013. Utilizing a generalized holographic principle, the paper predicted a precise value of the charge radius of the proton, which disagreed with the standard model by 4%. So that's some deep shit right there. Let me go back over that. So utilizing a generalized holographic principle, the paper predicted a precise value of the charge radius of the proton, which disagreed with the standard model by 4%. Now that's crazy. This prediction was later confirmed by a team of scientists at the Paul Scherrer Institute, utilizing muons in a proton accelerator. The measurement has since been validated by the adjusted 2018 CODATA value of the proton RMS charge radius. Now, this might sound like Chinese to a lot of you, but if you're interested in this stuff, just I'll leave all the links to this in the description, and you guys can just do your own research and basically check out all the videos. He's on Gaia. He's all over YouTube. He has one documentary, and it's called Black Hole, and it's groundbreaking, basically. And if you're interested in physics and everything in that domain, then definitely, if you don't know about Nassim Haramein, then I recommend checking him out because seriously, there's a lot to learn here. So I'll continue reading a bit more, and then I'll run over some other stuff. So Haramein founded the Resonance Science Foundation in 2004, where a team of researchers and educators have developed a formal, unified view of physics. These findings have implications and applications to revolutionary technologies that transform people's lives and the world as a whole. So let me repeat that again. Let me repeat that because I think that's very important. So Haramein founded the Resonance Science Foundation in 2004, where a team of researchers and educators have developed a formal, unified view of physics. These findings have implications and applications to revolutionary technologies that transform people's lives and the world as a whole, helping to overcome some of the largest challenges facing the world today. In 2014, Haramein launched the Resonance Academy, a unified physics online learning platform educating thousands of students from more than 80 countries. Haramein established Taurus Tech LLC in 2015, a private laboratory where, as the CEO and executive director of research and development, he leads teams of scientists and engineers dedicated to the development of resonance-based technologies. Taurus Tech applies Haramein's physics theories to patented resonance technologies that focus on quantum vacuum energy extraction and gravitational effects. Again, some serious shit. The Connected Universe, a feature-length documentary film released in 2016 and narrated by Sir Patrick Stewart, was produced based on Haramein's discoveries and their potential impact on generations to come. In 2017, Haramein launched Arc Crystal LLC, a subsidiary of Taurus Tech. Arc crystals are a groundbreaking technology that produce life-enhancing benefits resulting from an increased energy coupling with the structure of the quantum vacuum. Haramein is currently guiding the foundation, speaking to audiences worldwide, and continuing his groundbreaking research. Wow. So cool. So yeah, another person that all of you should check out. You know, I introduced to you Elizabeth April, Graham Hancock, and now Nassim Haramein. And these are just three of very many, a lot of people that should be more popular, you know? There's so many popular people who don't deserve, you know, the recognition. So here's some people actually providing value to the world. And, you know, I'm helping spread the news, spread the word about, you know, the good stuff that's happening around the world, because there's so many news articles about, you know, negative things and, you know, everything that's wrong with the world. But there are a large group of people who are actually committed to making this world a better place, you know, compared to a lot of our leaders right now. Moving on. So, research. Haramein's findings are focused on a fundamental geometry of space that connects us all. And I might be speaking too loud, so excuse me if it's my audio is coming in too loud. Maybe turn down my gain a bit. Maybe that'll help out. Hey, how's that? Okay, so yeah, that seems about right. So let me start that over. So research. Haramein's findings are focused on fundamental geometry of space that connects us all, from the quantum and molecular scale to cosmological objects in the universe. In 2015, Haramein opened a laboratory where he serves as the executive director of research and development. Excuse me. So yeah, in 2015, Harriman opened a laboratory where he serves as the executive director of research and development. Here, Harriman leads teams of scientists and engineers applying his revolutionary theories and patents to resonance technologies that focus on vacuum energy and gravitational effects. Production of such technologies could provide indispensable energy and open up space exploration in a completely viable and safe manner. Woo! Now, how cool is that? Can you find me some other people that's doing what this guy's doing? I don't think so. So here we go. So about the Resonance Science Foundation. Resonance Science Foundation is a global research and education nonprofit organization committed to the unification of physics and science as a whole. Okay, so that's the ending. Yeah. So yeah, committed to the unification of physics and science as a whole. Founded by physicist Nassim Haramein in 2004, the RSF team of researchers and educators have developed a formal unified view of physics. These findings have implications and applications to revolutionary technologies that transform people's lives and the world as a whole, helping to overcome some of the largest challenges facing the world today. So that's pretty much exactly what was written up here. So yeah, okay. Okay, quantum gravity. Okay, yeah. So here's this is some cool stuff. So here, quantum gravity and holographic mass. So check this out. In Harriman's paper, Quantum Gravity and the Holographic Mass, a prediction of the charge radius of the proton was confirmed with greater accuracy than any other theoretical framework. An experiment performed in 2013 by a team of scientists at the Paul Scherrer, I guess, Institute confirmed the prediction. Harriman's paper, Quantum Gravity and the Holographic Mass, was published in the peer-reviewed journal Physical Review and Research International. This is pretty much exactly what was written up there. So this theory was later scientifically confirmed with the. So yeah, that's pretty much the same thing. Okay, so anyway, I guess we'll go over some comments from other scientists. So Dr. Peter Rollins, PhD, research fellow, Department of Physics, University of Liverpool, governor and honorary governor, Manchester College, Oxford. So, quote, I recently attended a consortium organized at the Resonance Project involving 10 selected participants. I have attended many conferences over a period of more than 30 years, but this one was quite exceptional for the fact that the participants, through coming from very different directions, found such synergy between their different viewpoints that discoveries were being made in real time. As a result of the extraordinary cross-fertilization that developed, the work of Nassim Haramein, Elizabeth Rauscher, and their colleagues at the project opens up the possibilities of explaining phenomena on many scales through its significant insights into gravity. The Coriolis force, or Coriolis, anyway, force, and a related scaling law and its mathematically rigorous approach. It was immediately obvious to me that there were important connections with my own work in gravity, quantum physics, and fundamental mathematical structures, as outlined in my recent published book, Zero to Infinity, World Scientific 2007. And the same was true for my collaborators, Vanessa Hill and Peter Marcer, and the other participants. It was clear that we were in a strong position to set up collaborations which would create results that none of us would achieve working in isolation. This is really significant, groundbreaking science in many areas: physics, cosmology, geology, mathematics, biology, and truly interdisciplinary in its scope. Those who, like myself, were first-time visitors to the project were enormously impressed by the vision and drive which has made it possible. The project is a unique idea and is already making a significant contribution to ideas at the frontier of human knowledge. Whew. Now that's some serious stuff, man. So these are testimonials. And yeah, so I'm not going to read all of that. So that's that. So yeah, why not? Let's just go over the Resonance Science Foundation website. So yeah, they have a lot of cool stuff going on here. You know, they're on Facebook and all the other platforms. Like, check that out. Like, what's going on? You know, I mean, this guy's not far away from basically making time travel possible. You know, I mean, I'm pretty sure time travel is already possible, but this guy, like, check that out. Like, what the? So it's 4 minutes. Yeah, let's play a little bit.
Everything is connected. Learn to see. Realize that everything connects to everything else. The greatest minds in history have agreed. From the smallest particles through the highest intelligence, the entire universe is connected in ways which we know, feel, but we cannot yet fully explain. However, like those days of old when the world was flat, most humans are still not aware of the recent discoveries in the science of connectedness. But it's only when this awareness rises to a critical point that the full benefits of a connected universe can truly begin to change our world for the better. The science of unity points to a wide range of benefits to come, from a healthier environment to reduced strife and conflict, and even to the dreams of science fiction like unlimited safe energy and interstellar travel. This first requires that enough of us are aware to push for the scientific developments, to fund potentially world-changing projects, to elect leadership that represents a connected worldview, and to bravely stand for a new world of prosperity, peace, and purpose. Resonance Science Foundation is the key to that change, to a shift in our collective viewpoint which will help transform the world. We are a 1 million member strong community that believes everything is connected. We have the science to prove it and the tools to experience it. As a global nonprofit based on Nassim Haramein's unified field theory, the goal of Resonance Science Foundation is to create a world where humanity's technological and social systems are in harmonious relationship with nature, Earth, and the cosmos. We bring this worldview to life through 3 channels: science, community, and consciousness. We are the only organization at the intersection of science, community, and consciousness. And that unique angle has brought incredible results. Resonance Science Foundation is the central hub for all things unified science. The foundation spun out its sister company, Taurus Tech, with a dozen full-time scientists who are publishing cutting-edge science on the connected universe, its benefits, and how to use them. The foundation spun off ARC, a for-profit arm guided to produce usable, proven technology developed from the unified field theory. The Foundation's Academy is educating delegates globally to spread the science and to shift the worldview. Resonance Science Foundation expeditions are not only changing hearts and minds, but completing research at some of the world's most important historical locations. And most importantly, we're building a community of passionate, educated people who want to make the world a better place, starting with their own lives. The people of the world are begging to be connected. Just think about the 1 billion plus members of Facebook, or what's still the world's most popular film ever, Avatar. But this can't happen without a few fearless leaders to get behind the cause. For it's only with your help that we can exponentially grow the community. And it's only with community that minds will change, that our consciousness will change, the science will be accelerated, and that we'll create a connected universe of peace, prosperity, and purpose. Invest in the theories and discoveries that will change the world, from supercharging water to abundant energy and beyond. Support Resonance Science Foundation.
Amazing. Yeah, please do. Please do. So you could see the power of what they're doing, and everybody I talked to really, in my I guess you could say area and circle or whatever, nobody has heard of any I mean, nobody I know knows anything about this if I'm not talking about it, which is okay, because that's how things start off, I guess. So I'll keep this video short and sweet. I will leave all the links to this stuff in the description, and you guys can go ahead and start checking this stuff out, and share as well. Spread the word. It's like we can't keep focusing on these negative narratives. We need to start talking about what's actually being done in the world in a positive way. All right, let me rephrase that. We need to talk about the things that are being done. We need to talk about the positive things that are being done in this world, and stop talking about all the negative things. So, or at least, let's include the positive things in the world in our conversations rather than just sticking to the negative. How about that? Okay, so that's I guess that's it for today. I'll be bringing you another video soon. I'll be bringing more people that who inspire me, and people that are making a huge difference in the world, and people who are actually worthy of recognition. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.